Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Modifying Edge Download Location and Behavior, I'm going to show you how you can change the way that Microsoft Edge downloads files. This can help make your files easier to manage, especially if you send files back and forth from a Scopist or a reporter. Right now, if I go to Support, Downloads, Free Software, and click on a file to download it, Edge automatically downloads the file for me and decides where that file is going to go to, in this case to the Downloads folder. But if that's not the behavior that I want, if I want to choose where my files get saved, or I want to change that default location, Microsoft Edge does give me the opportunity to do that. I can go up to the three dots for Settings and scroll down and choose Settings. In this window, on the left-hand side, I can choose Downloads. And here I have an option to change the default location of the downloads, as well as to force Microsoft Edge to ask me what I want to do with each of my files when I download it. So I'm going to turn that option on, so that Microsoft Edge will always ask me where I want my files to go, and I'm also going to change my default download location, so that if Microsoft Edge doesn't know where files should go, it will put them in this location that I'm going to select now. So instead of Downloads, I'm going to go to Documents, Eclipse, and Ashley. I'll select this folder, and now I'm going to go back to our website, and I'll click on the Bridge Setup file once again. And this time, Edge has asked me if I want to just open that file or if I want to save as, which is going to allow me to choose the location that I want to save the file. So I'm going to click Save As. And here you see that it has defaulted to my Documents Eclipse Ashley folder, just like I asked it to. But if I want to, I can choose any other location, such as my desktop, and hit Save. And that file will go to the location that I specified instead. So no matter which settings you desire from your downloads, you can modify these settings simply by choosing the Options button at the top, going to Settings, and then on the left, choose Downloads. One of the options that it has is to open Office files within the browser. If you have the real version of Office on your computer, you might want to disable this, but that's a personal preference. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching today's video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.